Good morning, students. So, here I am back again with this remaining part of your first chapter, which were number system. So, in the first chapter, you have learned about the number system and what is the number system used by computer or computer language. Okay, so you learned that there were decimal number system, okay, which use from 0 to 9 decimal number in this number system. Okay, there were another number system which is binary number system. Okay, so the binary number system has only two digit, just like 0 and 1. Okay, and its base is 2. Okay, another one number system is octal and the hexadecimal. Okay, so in previous video you have learned about these four number system. So now in this video you will learn about the remaining part of this chapter, which is need for the other number system. Okay, so now we will start. So each octal digit written as a group of three binary digit and each hexadecimal digit is written as a group of four binary digits. In computer, the natural numbering system is binary, but this causes too many bits to be used while representing any data. Okay, so hexadecimal allow us to use 4 times fewer bit than binary. Okay, so अभी जो हम लोग कंप्यूटर यूज कर रहे हैं या फिर जो कंप्यूटर मेनली जो बेसिकली यूज करता है नंबर सिस्टम, वो नंबर सिस्टम होता है बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, moreover, all the processor use more than 4 bit. It is useful to represent data in hexadecimal form. Okay, so प्रोसेसर कौन से किस तरीके से यूज करता है नंबर सिस्टम को फॉर more than 4 bit. Okay, so it is useful to represent data in a hexadecimal number system. Okay, when we talk about the hexadecimal number system, so it is use 4 bits. Okay, so it is also difficult to read a large number represent in binary. Okay, so जब भी हम लोग बात करते हैं बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम की, तो वहां पर क्या होता है, लार्ज जब नंबर जब हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो उसको रीड करने में थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी होती है. ठीक है, बाय द ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. So the hexadecimal representation of merging four binary bits come into the picture. Okay, so फिर उस disadvantage या फिर उस जो drawbacks है उसको रोकने के लिए हम लोग जो कंप्यूटर यूज करता है वो कौन सा नंबर सिस्टम करता है, the representation of hexadecimal number system of merging four binary digits. Okay, so four binary digits को merge करके एक group बनाता है और with the help of that particular merging or group of bits it represent the information. Okay, so ये था आपका why the need of the other number system. Okay, now we are talking about the last topic about this chapter, which is converting a decimal number system into binary. Okay, so how we can convert a decimal number system into binary number system, you will learn in this video. Okay, so जस्ट पहले हम लोग देख लेते हैं एक बार बेसिक से, जो आपके बुक में एग्जांपल है वो कैसे किया हुआ है. फिर इसी वीडियो के नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग देखेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट और हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके, so the decimal number system can be converted to the binary by repeated division of the number by while 2 recording the remainder. Okay, so whenever we connect the decimal number system into binary number system, we just need to divide the decimal number by the 2. Okay, and we just record the remainder. Okay, so with the this method we can convert a decimal number system or any decimal number system into binary number system. The remainder are then written down starting from the bottom to the top to obtain the binary equivalent. Okay, तो हमको करना क्या होगा, just we just need to divide that particular number by 2 and we just record the remainder. Okay, so what reminder we are getting. Okay, so from the bottom to top. Okay, let us take an example and how it is done. Okay, तो देखते हैं क्या है. तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है आपका 63. अब आप लोग यहाँ जो ये बेस देख रहे हैं 10, ठीक है, ये जो बेस 10 है ये है आप रिप्रेजेंट करता है आपके पर्टिकुलर नंबर सिस्टम को. ओके, सो 63 it can be octal because it is using that from 0 to 7. Okay, it can be hexadecimal because it is using from 0 to 16. okay, and sorry, 15, which is represented by the a this one, okay, f. Okay, so in hexadecimal you can have from 0 to f. Okay, so f represent the 50 number. Okay, so 63 can be octal number system, it can be decimal number system, or it can be hexadecimal number. Okay, so how we can know that the this number is decimal number? Okay, so by with the help of this बेस. ओके, सो जो ये यहाँ पर बेस लगा हुआ है 10, ठीक है, ये जो बेस है इसका, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस बेस यू कैन नो एज अ डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम इट इज. ओके, सो ये जो बेस 10 है ये बताता है यहाँ पर कि ये नंबर सिस्टम कौन सा है. ठीक है, सो 63 इज इन डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, सो अगर जस्ट सपोज करो कि यहाँ पर 10 बेस की जगह 8 आ जाता तो ये नंबर कौन सा हो जाता? ऑक्टल नंबर. ओके, सो जैसे कि सेकंड एग्जांपल में आपको अगेन बेस 10 दिख रहा है, तो ये भी क्या है आपका? डेसिमल नंबर है. ठीक है, और अगर यहाँ पे अगर बेस आ जाता है आपका 8, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? ये आपका जो नंबर है वो ऑक्टल नंबर में कहलाएगा. ठीक है, सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द बेस वैल्यू वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम और ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम. तो यहाँ पर ये जो 63 है वो आपका डेसिमल नंबर है. ठीक है, सो अब हम बात करते हैं कि डेसिमल नंबर को हमको कन्वर्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं इनटू द बाइनरी नंबर. ओके, सो we will know the how we can convert a decimal number system into binary. Okay, so now let's begin. To convert 63 into a binary number system, we just put a 63 here. Okay, so just you need to draw this line. Okay, and you just need to put the 63 here. Okay, 63 को आपको यहाँ रखना है, and you just need to divide 63 divided by 2. Okay, so we get 31 as a multiple. Okay, so if we multiply 31 by 2, then we get 62. Okay, so then the remainder will be 1. So we just write the remainder here. Okay, so again we repeat this task, again divide 31 by 2, so we get 15, and the remainder will be again 1. Okay, so we repeat this task when till then we just get 1 and or 0. Okay, so again we divide 15 by 2, so we get 7, and 2 7s are 14, the remainder will be again 1. Okay, then we again divide 7 by 2, so 7 divided by 2, so we get 3, and the remainder again we get 1. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक दिस, फिर हमने 3 को डिवाइड किया 2 से और रिमाइंडर आया हमारे पास में 1. ठीक है, सो ये जो रिमाइंडर है वो हम लोग कैसे नोट करेंगे? अब लोग फ्रॉम एमएसडी. ओके, सो फ्रॉम बॉटम टू अपवर्ड. ओके, सो बॉटम टू अपवर्ड हम लोग इसको काउंट करेंगे और वहां से इस तरीके से हम लोग लिख देंगे. तो देखिए 1 1 1, 6 टाइम 1 आ गया और इसका बेस आ गया, हमने बेस क्या लिख दिया? 2. सो इट इज नोन एज अ बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, सो जब भी हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं इसको 1010 की फॉर्म में, अभी यहाँ पर ये जो फर्स्ट आपका एग्जांपल है इसमें सारे जो रिमाइंडर आए आपके 1 आए. ठीक है, सो जस्ट वी जस्ट हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस वन. ओके, एंड द बेस विल बी 2, सो इट इज रिप्रेजेंट एज दिस नंबर इज एज अ बाइनरी नंबर. ओके, अब एक बार हम लोग देखते हैं सेकंड जो नंबर है आपका 26, ये कैसा किया है. ठीक है, सो अगेन वी जस्ट पुट दिस 26 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 2, एंड वी गेट 13 एज अ डिवाइजर. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे 13 आता है तो रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. ओके, सो 13 टू 26 एंड द 26 इज कंप्लीट नंबर, सो रिमाइंडर कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा, तो वहां पे क्या बचेगा? 0. ओके, फिर 13 को हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे, सो हम लोग कितने से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 to the 2. Okay, so 2 6 is 12 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so here we put the 1. Okay, so this one, and again we divide 6 by 2, so we get 3, then remainder will be 0. Okay, so this one, and the 3 divided by 1, sorry, divided by 2, so we get again 1 as a remainder, so 2 1s are 2 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so from here bottom to upward we just write the number like this. Okay, 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so 1 1 0 and 1 0. Okay, so this is the method you can use. Okay, you can use to convert a decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, so अगर आपको अगर ये सही से समझ नहीं आया तो इस वीडियो का जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट है मैं आपको विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेन और पेपर आपको बताने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, सो नो नीड टू वरी, यू जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. Now we can similar convert it into binary to decimal also. Okay, so how we can convert it, we will see in the next uh, minute. Okay, so you can similarly divide a decimal number by the base by the base of a given number to converting a given decimal number into the number system. Okay, for example, obtain a octal number, divide a decimal number system by 8 in the same manner. ठीक है, तो अगर जस्ट सपोज करो आपको डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को बाय ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है, सो जस्ट यू नीड टू डिवाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर बाय 8. Okay, so this is how you can convert a decimal number system into binary or any other number system. Okay, so this next part is converting a binary number system into decimal number system. Okay, so you just need to write this number. Okay, you just need to write this number and expand this number 1 1 0 0 and 1 like this. ओके आपको इस नंबर को जो बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम है उसको जो नंबर है उसको इस तरीके से लिखना है, लाइक दिस वन. ओके, so from the right side you just need to multiply the rightest जो most right number है आपके, उसको आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू द पावर 0. ओके, फिर जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है उसको आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू द पावर 1 एंड द नेक्स्ट उससे जो नंबर है उसको टू द पावर 2 एंड इंक्रीज करना है बाय 1 इन पावर 2. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन को आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू द पावर 0, देन टू द पावर 1, देन टू द पावर 2, देन टू द पावर 3 एंड देन टू द पावर 4. ओके, सो इस तरीके से आपको हर पर्टिकुलर नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू कैन गेट द टू द पावर 0 मीन 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 is this. So you can see here the solution of this one particular also. Okay, फिर next आता है आपका to the power 1 mean 2, तो यहाँ पे 2 लिख दिया और 0 as it is यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने write down कर दिया. ठीक है, so to the power mean 2, it's mean 4, the 4 we just write here and we just put the 0 as same and we just write the to the power of 8, so to the power 3 as a 8 and multiply by the 1 at same as above. Now 2 the power 4 means 16 and multiply by the 1. Okay, so in the next step we just solve the power of 2 in all section. Okay, now we just need to multiply all these number into the its multiple. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, again 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 8 is 1 and 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. Okay, so now we just have only one operator which is addition. Okay, अब हमारे पास केवल addition बच गया है. ठीक है, multiply हमने यहाँ पे कर ही दिया है. Then we have to just add all these number in single. Okay, so 16 plus 8 is 24 and then plus 1 is 25. Okay, so we get 25 and we just put the base as a 10 to represent this number as a decimal number. Okay, so this is how you can convert a binary number system into decimal number system. Okay,
so now here you can see that how we can convert decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, so the base of binary number system is 2. So here you are going to learn that how we can convert it into binary number. Okay, so we just take an example like 65 is a decimal number system in number system. Okay, so to convert 65 into binary number, so we just put 65 here. Okay, we just need to divide by 2 to 65. Okay, so to divide 65 we get 32 as a multiple of 2, so we get 64 and subtract 60 from 64 from 65, so we get remainder 1. Okay, so we just need to write the remainder here in this section. Okay, so again we just need to divide 32 by 2, so we get 16, so 16 multiplied by 2 is 32 and we just get complete 32 number. So we now here we didn't get that remainder, so we just put here 0. Okay, so again we just divide 16 by 2, so we get 8. Okay, so again we have 0 as a remainder. Then again we just divide 8 by 2, so we get 4. The 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8, and the remainder will be 0 again. Then now we need to divide 4 by 2, so 2 2 is 4. Then again we just have remainder as a 0. Okay, so now just we need to divide 2 by 2, so we just multiply by 1, so 2 1 is 2. Then we get again as a remainder 0. Okay, so here this is the last one and this one is first. Okay, so we just need to write this number like from this side to this side. Okay, so bottom to upward. Okay, so here we can write this one is here 1 and this 0 is 1 here. Okay, so then again 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, then we write here 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, and again this one is here. Okay, so this is the process how you can convert a a decimal number system into binary number. Okay, so this is how you can write 65 as a decimal number, and the same equivalent this number is 65 number, but it is in binary number system. Okay, so this is in decimal number system and this is in binary number system. Okay, so just let's take another example. Okay, so in this example we just have that 26 just like your in book example. Okay, so we just write here 26 to convert it in binary number. Okay, so to convert 26 into binary number, we just need to again divide by 2. Okay, so we get 13. Okay, 13 to the 26, and the remainder will be 0. Okay, so remainder will be 0, so we just write here the 0, and again we just divide 13 by 2, so we get 6. Okay, so 6 to the 12, and we get remainder as a 1, so we just write here the remainder is 1. Then again we just divide 6 by 2, so we get 3. So 3 to the 6, and again we get remainder as a 0. And again we just divide 3 this by 2. Okay, so 2 1 is 2, and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1, so remainder will be 1. Okay, so here the answer is this 1. Okay, so we just need to write this whole remainder in like this way. Okay, from top to down. So we just need to write this one is here 1, then 0, then 1 again, and then 0. Okay, we just covered it by the bracket, and the base will be 2. So this number is represented by binary number system. Okay, so which is equivalent to the 26, which is in decimal number. Okay, so now next part is here that how we can convert a binary number into decimal number. Okay, so to convert a binary number into decimal number, okay, we just write this number like this, and we just arrange the all number in this scenario. Okay, so we just taking the previous example. Okay, so 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so we just need to write 1 1 0 and 1 0 like this. Okay, so for by this right side you just need to multiply this number by 2, and the power of 2 is 0. Then again this number is multiplied by 2, and the power will be 2's 1. Okay, so here from this side to this side we will increase the power of 2 by 1. Okay, so here you can see that the power is 1, then 2, then 3, and 4. Okay, so solving this multiplication sign, and just right here downside, okay, of this solving this power. Okay, so first one, the 2 to the power 0 is mean 1, and then again 0 is here. Okay, then 2 to the power is 2, then again multiply by 1 is just like its previous step. Okay, then 2 to the power 2 is 4 and multiply by 0, then 2 to the power 3 is multiplied by 8, and the 2 to the power 4 it means 16, just like multiply by 1. Okay, so we just solving in this equation of these power. Okay, in next step we will solve this multiplication sign. Though, so 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Okay, then 0 multiplied by 4 is 0, and 8 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. So now we just in next step we just add these all number into a single unit. Okay, so 16 plus 8 is 24. 4 and then plus 2 is 26. So here you can see this number base is a 10, so we can say this number is converted into decimal number system. Okay, so this is how we can convert a a binary number system into decimal number system. And in initial part of this video you just learned that how we can convert a decimal number system into binary number system. This is the process of converting the decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any query about this conversion, so you can free to ask in our live session which will conduct in a next period. Okay, so in next period we will do the answer and the back exercise of this chapter. Okay, so till then watch this video again and stay happy and stay safe. Okay, so goodbye.